By the year 2030, millions of new tech jobs will hit the market, but the rules for getting them are changing. A traditional university degree alone won't secure your spawn if you lack hands-on experience with emerging technologies. Beginners are overwhelmed by chaotic acronyms like AI and IoT. Escape choice paralysis with this linear system. No computer science degree needed. This framework, choose, fundamentals, projects, update, gets you internship ready in 6 months. It filters noise, focusing on execution. Step 1, choose exactly one technology. This decision tree narrows your focus. The analytical path leads to AI and cloud computing, offering the highest salary metrics. Shifting to the creative branch leads to augmented and virtual reality, focusing on 3D design without heavy math. Once your path is locked in, you move to Step 2, fundamentals. Spend 3 to 6 months dedicated to the basics, utilizing free platforms like Coursera or YouTube. Many beginners freeze at this stage because they think they can't code. Learning Python is much closer to solving a structured logic puzzle than performing complex calculus. Employers look for competence, not a long list of half-learned buzzwords. Deeply understanding one single tool creates immense market value, while shallow dabbling leaves you unemployable. Step 3, building projects. Watching 50 hours of video doesn't mean you can execute the work. If you stay in passive consumption, you will trap yourself in tutorial hell. You must start building. In data science, structure your own predictive model using a public dataset. If you chose IoT, program a basic physical sensor to send a signal to your computer. Let's test your understanding. If a student is creative, avoids math, and builds digital environments, which pathway should they choose? The answer is AR/VR designer. This role matches perfectly, relying on 3D spatial design rather than complex data. Step 4 is maintenance. Join specific online tech communities to track rapid industry shifts and immediately start submitting your work for real-world internships. A functional, self-directed portfolio proves that you can actually solve technical problems. For modern hiring managers, that visible proof of competence frequently outweighs a traditional, theoretical degree. To see how this transformation fits into reality, look at this 6-month timeline. Month 1 is entirely dedicated to execution on Step 1, evaluating your interests and finalizing your single technology choice. As the blocks for months 2 through 4 fill in, you enter the intensive learning phase. You use free online courses to absorb the foundational logic and practice your basic scripting, building a steady upward curve in your core skills. Finally, in months 5 and 6, you shift to application. You spend this time building a tangible capstone project, like a fully functional AI chatbot, and lock in your completed portfolio. Here is the exact blueprint. Capture this digital poster. 1. Pick one tech. 2. Use free fundamentals. 3. Build a portfolio. 4. Join a community. The upcoming decade will reward those who act with intention. Stop letting the noise of the industry cause choice paralysis.